Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can adopt a new navigation system or gesture system from Android 10. So if you've installed Android on your Android 10 in your Android smartphone, you can use this gesture navigation. So by default, as what you have been used to in the past, you have your back button, your home button, and your multitasking button, or when you're switching apps. So this has been around for a very long time, and by default your Android 10 smartphone will be configured to have these three buttons. So three button navigation. And what's new with Android 10 is you have your gesture navigation. It's a gesture based navigation, so you can navigate on your home screen through swiping and from different directions. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you go to your settings and go to system, you go to gestures. So here you can have different gesture options, but we're going to go to the system navigation. So in system navigation, you have your gesture navigation that's not selected, your two button navigation, and the selected one is the three button navigation. So when you choose two button navigation, you only have the back button and the home button. If you go back to three button, it instantly switches back to the default setting. So if you have two button, you can use that one, but we're going to talk about gesture navigation. So you can see we don't have anything underneath it. So the tips that I'm going to show you are the basic ones, so you can experiment with it and maybe you can get used to it. So when you go home, or you go home, you have nothing to tap here. So you just swipe from down upwards. So example, you go to YouTube, you go to home. Okay, that's simple. Switching apps, if you want to go back to the settings, so to replace that, we have your up and swipe to the left or to the right. So go back to home, swipe up, right, okay, swipe, okay. So you can have like a motion that's up, right, up, left. Open your app drawer, so it's the same. Instead of swiping from below, you can just swipe when you're on your home screen. You can just do it like that. So it's mostly the same with the default one. So go home, and to summon the assistant, if you're really using the Google Assistant a lot, you can just swipe from the corner here, bottom corner, bottom left or bottom right. Okay, no, right there, or right here. So it's just showing you how, right there. So example, if we go back to settings, you can also use the back button to go back. So to go back, or you can swipe from the left. If you want to go forward, okay, so if you want to go back right there. So you want to go home, your app drawer, Google Assistant, and your back button. So we don't have that. So let me know if you like this tips and tricks video, and more to come the next days. So if you like this video, subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center and contact us if you need your smartphone fixed. Till next time guys, cheers.